everyone, welcome to my channel Judy Africana TV. Today I'll be making potato pottage and I'll be using the red Irish potato. In Nigeria where I come from, this meal we usually prepare it with yam, but in the part of England where I live now, I don't easily get yam to buy, and I found that this red Irish potato is a great substitute for yam, and I can easily get it to buy from any supermarket whenever I need it. If you live in the UK, I highly recommend this brand because I've used other brands and I've found that this brand works better for the potato pottage than other brands in the supermarket. So let's stop talking now, let's get into the kitchen and let's get cooking. Okay, I have laid all the ingredients out so you can see them. Feel free to take out the palm oil. It is optional. You can take it out and replace it with any oil of your choice, maybe sunflower oil. And then the crayfish as well is optional. You can take that out as well. We've got mackerel fish, so that should serve. And then the seasonings, I've got smoked paprika, I've got dried pepper, I've got chicken cubes, salt and sugar. The sugar will help to give it, the kind of thick consistency. You know how porridge looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything in the pot, all the seasonings and then onion and crayfish, and I'm going to cut up the fish as well, add everything in, stir, add my pottage, potato. Okay, so the potato is cooked now and I'm adding the frozen spinach. Now it's ready. Look at that, it's so thick because of the sugar, added sugar, and it's so beautiful. I love beautiful meal. I'm just going to give it a cut. Can you see that? It looks just like yam, and I tell you, it tastes so good as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I did. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you, and see you in my next video. I hope you subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. Bye.